On the Flex dual fuel wiring video, Marco says, I have a question regarding the float switch wiring. When you say don't break R wire because it won't shut the unit down, can you expand on that? I would think breaking R would kill power to the stat, shutting it all down. No?
That's a good question.
So yeah, that's a fair question.
Yeah,
So it depends on where you're breaking on.
correct.
I guess I didn't clarify it good enough. What I meant was do not break R to the outdoor unit. If you break R to the outdoor unit, the unit will not shut down.
Correct.
But yes, if you break R to the thermostat, you're obviously going to lose your call and the unit will shut down.
But the easiest way to train it is just break wire.
The easiest way to train it is break
And that
wire.
way we don't end up with the unit continuing to run and continuing to produce water.
I don't like breaking R to the thermostat because it makes the homeowner's thermostat go completely dead.
Mm-hmm.
I'd rather break Y so that they know, okay, the heat pump's not working, or okay, it's not working in heating mode or cooling mode, but the thermostat's just not going to completely blank because then
Right.
it relates it to, could be a power issue.
Right.
You know, breaker tripped or something like that. If it's running but not doing anything in just the outdoor unit, now we've segmented it down. That's why I like the idea of just breaking Y to the outdoor unit, shut it down.